growing tomatoes out here. Check out solar lights out here and shit. Somebody put some time and effort into this. Yeah, I don't know if this is creepy or fucking cool. Oh shit, they huffing spray paint, Stooch. That's all they got is a can of spray paint. I guess this is the recycling. This is weird. Yo, you really can't even see this if you just drove by fast.
No. I actually seen it when I drove by one day, but I was like through like open area.
Oh shit, look, they built a whole dam, Stooch. This is all dammed out with wood. Oh shit, we got steps over here too. Yeah, somebody wasted some time on this shit. You see the little kid sandbox? Yeah, it's kind of creepy. Well, they come out here at night apparently because there's solar lights and candles everywhere.
They got hostas planted and shit.
Here's the garden.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I like it. I like the stones they did right here.
Whoa, yeah, I'm gonna tell through that.
Do that at my house. You just never know what you're gonna find on the side of the woods.